Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Rian. My name is 642411592. I will give my opinion about Indonesia versus Bahrain result in qualifiers World Cup 2026 ASEAN Zone Group C. During the 2026 World Cup qualifying match between Indonesia and Bahrain held on October 10 to 2024, a dramatic situation unfolded at Bahrain International Stadium in Rifah. Indonesia led 2-1 until the final moments of the game. Indonesia goals were scored by key players who demonstrated outstanding performance throughout the match, while Bahrain fought hard to tensions escalated when Omani referee Ahmed Al-Kaf decided to extend the additional time beyond the 6 minutes initially announced by the fourth official. This decision sparked major controversy as it influenced the course of the match in the crucial seconds. In the 99 minutes well past the allotted stop-back time, Bahrain managed to score a equalizer, leveling to score at 2-2. The referee's decision to continue the match up to the point stunned Indonesia players and their coach, as well in the thousands of fans present in the stadium. Public reaction in Indonesia was also intense, with social media flooded with harsh comments against the referee decision. The hashtag Justice for Indonesia went viral, reflecting the disappointment and frustration felt by the wider public. Football analysts and sport figures in Indonesia also point out the critical role of sport diplomacy in defending national interests and ensuring fair play in international matches. They stressed that this incident should prompt the Asian Football Federation to take in oversight and ensure high standards for referees. The draw left Indonesia in a vulnerable position in their group, having played four matches that all ended in draws. Meanwhile, the additional point helped Bahrain climb to fourth place. Indonesia, which had hoped to continue its qualifying campaign on a stronger note, now face significant challenge to improve their position in the remaining group matches. In my opinion, overall, that incident was not just about a single match, but a reminder of the importance of transparency and accountability in football. For Indonesia, it underscored the need to ensure that their voice and protests are heard by international football authorities. My name is Muhammad Rian. In this video, I make a presentation with topic the question words. What are question words? Question words are function words that can be asked to ask open question and help us to get the information. Next, benefits of learning question words. 1. Communication. Question words help you form complex questions to get more information and communicate well. 2. Conversational skill. Asking questions can help you develop conversational skill and make meaningful connection with others. Question words in English. What, who, when, where, why, which, was, whom, and how. Next, what. We ask what when we want to ask about things. Example, what do you like? What time is it? What is your name? Next, example dialogue using what. What are the plans for tonight? I was thinking of catching a movie. What about you? That sounds great. What movie do you want to see? I heard the movie Shadow film is really good. What do you think? I'd love to see that. What time slot we met? How about 6 p.m.? What do you say? Wow, direct them to watch a film. See you, Tom. Next is wow. We ask wow when we want to ask about person. Example, who called you last night? What is your teacher? What is the author of this book? Next example dialogue using who. Who is your favorite football player? I really like Lionel Messi. Who do you think is the best player of all time? For me, it has to be Pele. Who do you believe had the biggest impact on football history? I say Diego Maradona. Who inspired you to start playing football? It was definitely Ronaldinho. His style of play made me fall in love with the game. Next is when. We ask when we want to ask about time, occasion, or moment. Example. When does the movie start? When is your birthday? When are you going? Next example, dialogue using when. Hey Imam, when are you planning to visit your grandparents? I'm thinking of going next weekend. When was the last time you visit yours? It was about 3 months ago. Time flies, doesn't it? It really does. When do you think you all have time to visit them again? Probably during the holidays. By the way, when did you last talk to them? This yesterday. They were asking when we could all get together. Next is where. We ask where when we want to ask about place. Example, where are you from? Where do you study? Where does he live? Next example, dialogue using where. Where are you going this weekend? I'm planning to go to the beach. Where do you usually go when you want to relax? I usually go to the mountains. Where is your favorite beach? My favorite is Sawarna Beach. Where is your favorite hiking spot in the mountains? It is to the mountain. It is beautiful, especially in the morning. Next is why. We ask why when we want to ask about reason. Why do you read this book? Why are you late? Why did you leave me? Next example, dialogue using why. Why are you late today? I missed the bus. Why do you they why do they always come early when I'm running late? It happens. Why didn't you take taxi? I thought I could catch the next one, but I was wrong. Next time, plan ahead. Next is which. We ask which when we want to ask about choice or preference. Example, which is your phone? Which shirt should I wear? Which beach did you visit? Next example, dialogue using which. I'm thinking of buying a new phone. Which one do you recommend? It depends on what features you are looking for. Which features are most important to you? I really care about the camera quality and battery life. Then you should look at the latest models from major brands, which have great cameras and long batteries life. Thank, thanks. I will check those out. Next is was. We ask was when we want to ask about ownership or possession. Example, was are they gay? I know a girl whose brother is a movie star. Whose number are you calling? Next example, dialogue using was. Whose phone is ringing? It is Sarah. Whose number I saved last week? I will give it to her. Next is whom. We ask whom when we want to ask about person but refers to the object. Example, whom did he tell? Whom did we see at the cafe? Whom you invite to your party? Next example, dialogue using whom. Whom should I invite to the a birthday party? You should invite Iwan. Whom you met last year. Good idea. And whom else? Maybe Rizky, whom we both know from college. Next is how. We ask how when we want to ask about process, condition or qualities, well-being, quantity, distance, duration, and frequency. Example, how old are they? How often does she study? How much milk do you drink? Next example, dialogue using how. How much does this shirt cost? It is 25 How often do you go shopping? I usually go once a month. By the way, how old is your brother now? He just turned 18 last week. Wow, that's exciting. Thanks for attention and thank you.